Hey friends, let's get messy in our art journal with some mixed media magic. Plus, I've got all the details on our next subscription box. Let's dive in. I always do a coat of gesso before I start, and I think it helps with the paint. Here I'm using one of Roycycled Treasure's decoupage papers and tearing out the little color swatches to put in my journal. This journal's page theme is going to be my granddaughter Elsie, who loves art, and I wanted to dedicate a page to her. Here I'm using Miss Lillian's lackluster varnish to glue all the pages onto my journal, and you can find that on my affiliate link if you want to try it. It's really great varnish, works really good for decoupage, and I will link it down below in my description. Here I'm using pieces out of the Charlotte Stamp from IOD. They have some paint brushes and some of the pens, like the old-fashioned pens, and I'm going to use black ink to place a couple of paint brushes and a couple of pens down on the pages. So likely that it would be caught in a breeze. She whispered words not meant to be heard. She started to shiver, though she didn't freeze. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go. I want to give you guys a quick update about the subscription box. We're taking the art journal one off the subscription. You can still get it as a one-time purchase if you want to. I can't figure out my website. That's the thing. So on my website, I had to switch over to the next box. So the next box is going to be in April. And we are doing an apron. See that? It's like a cross back. That's not how it goes. It's cross back like that. So it just goes over your head. So we're partnering with Lynne Brundage from L&J Goods. She is going to create a stencil for us. I've already seen it. It's really good. I'll probably put a picture here. I think a continuous stencil, which means you can do a continuous design. It's huge. It's 11.5 by 24. It's beautiful. You're gonna love it. It's a complete class in a box, and you're gonna get your apron, your stencil, your brushes, and the paints. Not to mention, I'm gonna do a couple of videos at least. And Lynn said she would do a video. I hope she'll do more, because we love Lynn. I'm so excited about this one. You guys, I do this class in my shop. It's super popular. I get people from all over the country asking if there's any way that I could do these classes that I do here online. And this is how I figured out how to do it. I'm going to do classes in a box. You can buy the subscription. You can cancel whenever you want. You can buy this box too, as a one-time box, or the subscription. If you buy it as a one-time box, they are definitely going to be first come, first serve. Also, the next box is going to be in July. I've already got it planned out. I already know who I'm going to partner with. It's going to be amazing. You're gonna want to be part of that one too. I guarantee you're going to love it. This is Elsie's little note that she added to everyone's box. And She told me one time that art is her passion, and I am just so proud of her. I love that we have something in common and that she is so artistic. I named my business after her when she was a tiny baby, and she's almost 9 now, and art is her passion, and I couldn't be happier about that.
There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. And if you ever wonder, there is nothing wrong with a little thunder. There's things in life you simply need to know, about sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end. There's things in life you simply need to know.
We recently had family photos done, and this one was taken of Elsie, and I think she just looks so pretty in this picture, so I printed it on my inkjet printer on regular paper, and I'm going to just glue it down to this page, because this page is just all about her. Isn't she cute? And here I'm just going to take a wet paintbrush, it's just got water on it, and just wet the areas that I want to tear out around her face. I decided to make some of the pages in my journal about family and personal things that just inspire me. I think if you look to things that you really, really love, you'll just get inspired that way to make your pages your own and to make this kind of like a living diary or journal of just things that you're passionate about.
Drowned too deep, no strength to fight. My guy so good, 헤매이고 있어.
Wanted to do some paint splatters on my book, and so I think if you add a little water to it, it splatters better, and I finally did get the hang of it with my scissors. I also decided I didn't really like that heart on her shirt, so I probably pulled that off. Yeah, see, it's off. I took it off. I hope you enjoy the video. We've got 3 other artists coming out today. Lynne Brundage with L&J Goods, Jane Bellante Art, as well as Kristin Calhoun with She Paints. All of the links will be down in my description box below, along with anything, like I know Lynn has a kit. If you want to purchase it, I'll put the link down below. And I am so blessed that they agreed to be part of this. I'm just so happy about it, and you will be too. I love it. I guarantee you're gonna love it.
Do another scrape for the left, and then leave a thumbs up.
느껴진 ground 자꾸 turn it around 날 기다려줘 준역을 해치고 난 그 빛을 따라